This is treatment of expenses under section 43B in business or profession. This is one of the important aspect. Normally we know very well, when the expenses are made, payments are made, it is accounted in the same year. It should be accounted in the same year. For example, to say March month salary you are paying in the month of April, but for avoiding the problem of accounting that expense, we are making a provision in the month of March. So based on the provision we are accounting it, and in the month of April when we are paying the amount, it is adjusted against the provision. So whereas in this case, for certain things, if the amount is paid after the 31st of March but before filing of return for that respective category, it is accounted in the related previous year. It is considered in the related previous year. So those things are explained in the form of tabulation here, nature of expenses and stipulated time. For example, to say you are paying the tax is paid in the month of April, whereas it is pertains to 1920 previous year, whereas it is paid in the month of April 2020. But what is the due date for filing of return? It is 31st of July. So here it is paid before filing of return, so it is considered for the previous year of 1920, not 2021. So in that manner we should understand this point. See here, tax, duty, all sort of a duty, cess, fees. Please mind it, duty, cess, fees, all those things are the synonyms for the term tax. So for those categories, for those payments, if it is paid after 31st of March but before the filing of return, for individuals it is supposed to be 31st of July before filing of return, it is considered for the previous year of 1920 for this batch is concerned. Whereas a sum payable towards the contribution of provident fund, superannuation fund or gratuity, for those things, that payment made after the due date, deduction can be claimed in the year of payment only. So for this also, if the payment is made after the due date, it is claimed only in the year of payment. And third one point, any payable to an employee as bonus, commission, interest on carrying borrowings, interest on any borrowing from any financial institutions, scheduled bank, primary agricultural cooperative society and primary agricultural and rural development banks, in lieu or any payment made in lieu of the leave at credit. See, normally we discuss that leave at credit, encashment of leave at credit. Hope you can remember that point in salary what we discussed. So for those payments, if it is paid after the due date, then it is taken only in the year of payment. So this is applied in forthcoming problems, so we should keep in mind for treatment of expenses under section 43B.